dust on my tongue, and your name in my clenched up fist. They took the bread from the table, so I learned how to fight in the dark. My mother said, hold your ground, while the drum made the walls shake hard. I buried fear in the gravel, and I let that grave turn to fire.
Hear them come,
hear them come, from the hills to the door. I am not their son anymore. Break the chain, break it now. Break the chain till it cries. We were born for this hour. We rise hard or we die. I saw flags in the mud, saw their kings with their velvet lies. They sold the sky for a medal, then they hid when the children bled. But your eyes were a burning match, and my hands knew the shape of wrath. So I pulled my voice from the rubble, and I threw it against the gate.
hear them come,
Hear them come, from the hills to the door. I am not their son anymore. Break the chain, break it now. Break the chain till it cries. We were born for this hour. We rise hard or we die. The night split open, the ground answered back. One note like a blade, one bend like a scream. We keep moving, we keep moving, through ash, through stone, through blood and thunder.
through blood and thunder.
Break the chain, break it now.
Break the chain
Till it cries.
we were born
For this hour, we rise hard or we die.
break the chain, break the chain,
Break it now.
break it now.
Break the chain,
break the chain
till it cries. We were born
for this hour.
we rise hard or we die. I kept my rage in the marrow, I kept your light in my chest. The road is still full of shadows, and the dawn is still out of reach.
So let the drum